Okay, now this question is not from your book. This is outside the book, and I will share picture of this question also with you. You will do this question in your fair notebook, okay, in your arithmetic copies, but this question is not from your book. Okay, in a camp, comma, a store of food is sufficient for 140 scouts for 20 days. Again, which two things are given to you to compare? They had given scouts, okay, is 2 days. They are saying there is a camp and there is food for 140 scouts and it will last for 120 days. So 140 scouts and food is for 20 days. If 60 more scouts join the camp, 60 more, okay, highlight is over here, 60 more. 60 more means that 140 is already over there, and 60 more means that you will add 140 plus 60. So how many it becomes? It becomes 200 now. Okay, so if 60 more scouts join the camp, then how long will the same food is sufficient for all? X. Now we have to check whether this is direct proportion or inverse proportion. Let's look at back. 140 scouts will eat food till 20 days. Now the same food is, they have not increased the food. They are saying the same food, the quantity of the food which were for 140 scouts, now the same quantity of food is for 200 people as well. So how many days the food will last? Definitely less days it will last. It will be sufficient less days than 20 days. Now it will not last till 20 days. It will last to less days. So again, when scouts increased, days decreased. Increase in one causes decrease in other. So it is again inversely proportion. You will write down the statement. Okay, so it says more scouts, less days food will last. It is inversely proportional. Okay, this statement you will write. Now again we will make the sum. How we will make the sum? You have to remember that since it is inversely proportional, so this thing you will write oppositely. Okay, you will not write 140 is to 200. Instead you will write 200 is to 140 proportion 20 is to x. This you will write from first to last, but this you will write from last to first because it is inversely proportional. This is extreme and this is mean. Product of extreme is equals to product of mean. So 200x, I am directly writing 200x. You can also write, instead, if you do not want to write directly, you can write 200 multiplied by x, and then in the next step you can write this 200x 140 multiplied by 20. Okay, x is equals to, this will go over there, divide 140 multiplied by 20 upon 200. Okay, 0 cancels from this 0 cancels from this 0, 2 ones are 2 ones are. What is left? 14 is left. I did very simple reduction. I cut 0 from 0 and then simply 2 ones are and 2 ones are. So only 14 is left. So it means that 200 scouts will eat food till 14 days. You have to write your answer in the form of statement. In this way you will write for 200 scouts same food is sufficient for 14 days. Now you will do one more question which is not from your book. I will share picture of that question with you, and that you will do it yourself. Still, if you will face any confusion, you can ask me anytime. Okay, till then, see you, goodbye, have a nice day.